You check into your hotel, you connect to the Wi-Fi, you open your laptop, type in your Microsoft 365 password, and log in, except it wasn't Microsoft, it wasn't your inbox, and your password is now sitting on a server controlled by someone you'll never identify. No phishing email, no malware, no alert from your IT department. One compromised router, and every guest on that network is a target. Here's how it works. When you type outlook.offrey.com into your browser, your computer asks the hotel's DNS server for the IP address. DNS poisoning means the attacker has modified that DNS server to return a different IP, their IP. So your browser connects to a server the attacker controls, which shows you an exact replica of the Microsoft 365 login page. You type your credentials, they capture them. Then they forward you to the real Microsoft, so you never notice. The entire attack happens at the router level. Your laptop is never touched.
This isn't theoretical. ReliaQuest identified this campaign in July 2026, active since at least June. Compromised Wi-Fi gateways were found across multiple US cities, India and Saudi Arabia, hotels, conference centers, venues frequented by corporate travelers. The tradecraft echoes Russian state-sponsored techniques. This is a coordinated, widespread operation designed to harvest corporate credentials at scale by attacking the softest link in the chain, the hospitality sector's network infrastructure.
How do they compromise the gateway? ReliaQuest assesses with low to medium confidence that initial access exploits exposed management interfaces, SSH, SNMP, web administration consoles on captive portal gateways. These are the routers that handle hotel guest Wi-Fi. Many ship with default credentials. Many have admin panels accessible from the guest network itself. Some haven't been patched in years. One weak password on one outdated router, and the attacker owns the DNS for every device that connects. Once DNS is poisoned, the attacker stands up a fake Microsoft 365 login page. It looks identical. Same layout, same branding. You enter your username and password. If you have multi-factor authentication via SMS or Authenticator app, the attacker can relay that in real time using an adversary in the middle proxy. You see your inbox. They see your session token. They now have persistent access to your corporate email, your files, your entire Microsoft 365 tenant. This attack breaks the standard security playbook. No phishing email means your email filter doesn't catch it. No malware means your endpoint detection doesn't flag it. No device compromise means your EDR sees nothing. Security awareness training tells you to watch for suspicious links in emails, but here the malicious redirect happens at the network layer, before you even open a browser. The user did everything right by the book. The book just doesn't cover this. Here's what actually works. First, always use a VPN on hotel or conference Wi-Fi. A VPN encrypts your DNS queries, so the poisoned router can't redirect you. Second, enable FIDO2 hardware key multi-factor authentication. Unlike SMS or authenticator codes, hardware keys are phishing resistant. They verify the domain. So a fake login page simply won't work. Third, enable DNS over HTTPS in your browser settings. Fourth, before entering any credentials on hotel Wi-Fi, manually verify the URL in the address bar. For IT and security teams, disable remote admin on guest network gateways, enforce unique admin credentials, segment guest networks from management interfaces, and audit your captive portal infrastructure. The real story here is structural enterprise identity architecture. Microsoft 365 Okta, the systems that gate access to everything, silently delegates DNS trust to hotels, entities with no security mandate, no audit requirement, no incentive to protect your credentials. Hospitality procurement has become the de facto access control for enterprise identity. The fix isn't more awareness training. It's enterprise VPN mandates, hardware key MFA for every traveling employee, and regulatory pressure on venues to secure their network infrastructure. Until then, every business traveler is walking into a trap they can't see.